Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk all about how to grow cauliflower. Now, cauliflower is a wonderful cold climate vegetable that's really easy to grow, as long as you have the right conditions. Cauliflower does best in coastal conditions where it's not really dry and really hot summers. They do much better in a little bit of a milder climate that's near the coastline. So if you do live in a climate that's inland and is really hot in the summer, give them a little bit of shade or make sure and keep them moist enough because they don't like to dry out at all. But if you live near the coast, give them full hot sun. And you start them by seed early in the spring. So as soon as the last frost is finished, start the seeds. And you can put them right into seed trays or you can put them right into the ground itself and they will grow. Now, cauliflower is related to broccoli and cabbage, so they grow in much the same conditions. And so you want to start the seeds as soon as the last frost, and they will grow and then develop and then be ready for summer. Now, they'll make big leaves, so the trick is to actually tie the leaves up so that the head stays white. Now, they have gorgeous yellow, purple, and magenta different types of cauliflower that are available now that are just gorgeous as well. But you still want to protect the cauliflower from birds and other insects by taking the leaves and actually protecting the plant by covering up the flower head with the leaves or the vegetables so that it will not get damaged in any way. And as soon as the cauliflower is mature, and you can see it's mature because the little florets are not turning brown, they're ready to go, and they've looked fully mature, they're ready to eat. And at that time, you just chop them away from the mother plant, just away from the plant, and then you can eat them. And the plant will die back in the winter, in the fall, and so then you just start the seeds again the next spring. But cauliflower is an easy vegetable to grow and very rewarding.